Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you everything that you're going to have access to once you sign up for the Builderall platform today. So here we are on the Builderall platform, and the first thing you're going to see when you log in is the dashboard. And here you have an overall view of your whole business and all the websites that you've created, the blogs, opt-in pages, funnels, and everything is going to be here. You have the mobile applications that you've developed, email lists, campaigns, Facebook applications, and all your subscribers. One of the things that we like to highlight is the fact that we have over 400 training videos. So if you get lost at any time, the first thing you need to do is basically click the quick training, answer a few questions, and then you'll be directed to the training answering basically the questions of what you want to do with the platform, if you want to build a website, opt-in page, sales funnel, and so forth. To the left of the dashboard here are where all the tools that you have access to are located. So all these tools are made available to you at a very convenient price, one very low monthly subscription. So the first thing you have is the builder. So if I click the drag and drop site builder, let's go access the new website, and you have hundreds of templates that are already made and ready for you. You can start one from scratch by just click blank page, and then you start one from scratch, or you can select one of these templates and begin just moving things around, adding your content, and it's all ready to go. You have funnels that are already configured for you. For instance, if you want to create a membership site funnel where you have your landing page, and then you've got your checkout page and the membership area, you can just select one of these. So let's say you click the view button just to see what it looks like. It's going to take me to the page, and then here I can check to make sure that that's what I want my landing page to look like. And if I like what I see, I'll just click edit, and it's going to open up the editor. And once the editor opens up, you'll see that I'm already ready to change things. So all these different elements, you can just click, drag, and drop anywhere you want. You can resize very easily. Obviously, this is just a placeholder, so you can just right click on the element and change the image, and you can upload your own logo. So I'm going to upload one of the logos that I have in our database right here. So I'm going to resize it and just add it here. You can double click and begin typing whatever you want, all the buttons and animations. There's a ton of different things that you can do with this page. Obviously, this is a sales funnel with a landing page. Let's go to pages right here. I'm going to show you. So each funnel has its own blueprint, so you can understand what it looks like. So you've got your landing page, the checkout page connected with a bunch of email autoresponder, and then the membership area. And basically here it shows you how to connect everything. We also have a training specifically for each funnel, so you can basically just add your content. It basically shows you how to add your content and hook up all the pages so everything works perfectly. So let's go to the membership area. I'm going to show you also what it looks like. So let's say I go to this page, and it's my home page. I want to move this button, and I want to add the button to the right, and I can just basically copy and paste, and I have a second button that I can begin working with. If I want to preview, I just click the little monitor right there, and then I can preview my changes. All right, so let's go back to the editor, and basically all the different pages, blogs, and opt-in pages are basically drag and drop like you see it here. Very easy to manipulate. You've got the applications, all the different apps that you can add more. You can move things around. You can do the checkout, sales funnel, and so forth. Let's go back to our dashboard so I can finish showing you the rest of our tools. Now all the things that I just showed you is part of the builders tool. We've got the app creator, so you can develop your own app for mobile phones, Android and iPhone. You have your responsive site, your blog builder, and you have your email marketing, which is the autoresponder that we offer in our platform. All this is unlimited, and you can use it to your however you like. So let's say I want to create my email sequence. Obviously I've got one already set up just for this example. Like for instance, the editor, you can just click and drag and drop any of these sections, and you can just basically select and start typing, and then let's say you want to send this email, after people subscribe, 2 minutes maybe. Let's select 2 minutes and then save changes, and this email is going to be sent out once it's connected to your opt-in page. It's going to be sent out 2 minutes after people subscribe to whatever opt-in page you choose from. So obviously we've got a ton of opt-in pages that you can choose from here. All right, so you've got design tools. Let's click Design Studio. And this tool is very fun and awesome to use, to be honest with you. I'm not a designer by any means, and I use this tool quite a bit just to create some ebook covers, some little art design for the monitors and business cards and things like that, like computer monitors and such. So very fun. You can just select one of the templates and begin creating your own. So if I go to my results, you see that I just played with a few of the options we have available. And let's say you don't find an image that you like here, you can always download one, for instance, that has a monitor, this right here, and then you can create the area where you want it, like your design to show up, and you can do that very easily with your own holders. Okay, so under designs you have the presentation builder, so you can create your own presentation online and be able to share and move your customers that way. You've got videos, which you can create animated videos. This tool is also very, very fun. Let's click on open and I'll show you what it looks like. So you've got different templates. Let's say I want to use this one. I just click this one, so I select it, and you've got the template already animated and ready to go. So all I have to do is just click. Let's go ahead and hit play, and basically I can just select the element, begin typing whatever I want it to say, and it's ready to go. Again, this is awesome. Some people sell this similar application just separately, and they charge a lot more than just what BuilderAll charges for you to have access to all of these tools. The floating videos is also a fun tool, and to be honest with you, we are one of the only platforms that offer this floating video option, which is basically you can put any video to play like anywhere on your site. You can remove the background and such. We don't have time to go over into all the different types of applications and how you can use them, and to show you exactly. That's why we have the knowledge base here under tutorial videos. We've got over 400 different tutorials. Each of these videos, for instance, right here you've got 2-minute video, 30-second video, so it shows each individual tool, how to set it up and how it works, and it's very easy and anybody can implement that. So here you've got, for instance, the builders, the app creator, responsive site, email marketing, design studio, presentation, all these tools that are part of our platform. Okay, so let's go back to apps. Under apps, you've got Facebook integrations, you've got Facebook app, Facebook notifications, intelligent posts. All these are different tools. Like for instance, the Facebook notification is very fun. You can begin collecting people's information. Once it's hooked up, you can send them notification. The browser notification, this tool in particular, people are using quite a bit. Basically, when people access your site, there's going to be a notification that shows up asking if they want to subscribe to receive notifications from you, and then you can automate the messages. So if people are, let's say, navigating to other sites, or they might not even be on the internet, they might be just doing something on the computer, you can send them a notification, then they'll receive a notification on the right upper corner saying whatever you want it to say. Very easy to configure. Also, you just create a campaign, get your code, and embed anywhere you want on your site. The SEO, once let's say you created a page and you want it to start ranking on Google, you can type in your keyword, put in your URL, and hit send, and it's going to give you a report basically analyzing the content and giving you different ways for you to improve, and so you can have better chances to rank on Google. The Click Map tool is fun as well. If you're familiar with some of the tools that you can get available, like Hotjar, basically monitors the behavior of people getting to your site, how they move and interact, where they click. Basically this tool, it does just that. So you just get a code, implement on the page that you want to monitor, and then obviously you're going to be able to see exactly where they are clicking, and if you need to make any adjustments and optimizations to better assist and serve your visitors. Okay. Under apps, we also have Review Exchange, the Facebook Inbox Answer, Share Locker. It's a very, very popular tool that we're using, or we just developed not too long ago. People are loving it. We had an incredible feedback from people that are implementing this strategy to get more visitors to their site and create a viral effect. Basically, you can create a piece of content, implement the tool, and then you would share the link on, let's say, social media or Facebook. Once people click there, they access the page, and then a window is going to pop up and say, listen, if you want access to this awesome piece of content, you can set it up so people would click like or share. And then once they do either or, then they would have access to your content. One of the members we have has a case study that he was able to add an additional 400 people to his site just off of one little, actually 400 shares. I don't know the exact number in terms of visitors, but a lot of people visiting his site from using this strategy. Very, very cool too. And then we have the e-learning. So there you have, it's just a quick overall overview of the Builderall site platform. I'm sure you're going to love accessing this tool and be able to implement on your business right away.